What are CSS selectors?
The previous user assistance is a patterns that let you choose which HTML elements to style. Selectors give you precise control, helping you apply colors, fonts, layouts, and more to specific page parts. Whether you want to change the look of every paragraph or only a single button, selectors are the key tool for targeting elements efficiently.
Basic selectors targeting elements simply.
At the core, there are three essential selectors: type, class, and ID selectors. The type selector chooses all elements of a particular kind, like all p tags. A class selector uses a period, such as .menu, to style any element with that class. The ID selector, written with a hash like #header, targets exactly one unique element.
Advanced selectors, combinators, and attribute selectors.
For more precision, combinators like spaces, greater than symbols, and plus signs select elements in relation to each other. Attribute selectors, such as type equals button, match elements with certain properties. These allow you to write concise code that styles lists inside navigation bars or only links that open in new tabs.
Pseudo-classes and pseudo-elements,
like hover or focus, apply styles when users interact with elements. Pseudo-elements, such as before or after, let you style parts of elements, like adding icons before headings. These give CSS extra power to respond to user actions and enhance the look without extra HTML.
tips for efficient CSS selection.
For fast, maintainable styles, choose selectors that are specific enough but not overly complex. Reuse classes, keep IDs unique, and group selectors where possible. Overusing universal selectors or descendant combinators may slow down rendering. Well-structured selectors make your CSS faster to load, easier to update, and more reliable across different browsers.